Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Due to the wide range of brands and shapes of toilets available, there is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to replacing a broken toilet seat. The materials that your toilet suite is made of can also impact the size of the toilet seat that you need to replace. 23 December 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
No, not all toilet seats fit the same because toilets come in a variety of different shapes, so you'll need to check yours before buying. There are 3 types of toilet shapes commonly found in UK homes. Most toilet seats are an oval shape, although some may be more of a contemporary square or D shape.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Measure the width of the bowl at its widest point. Be sure to place your measuring tape on the outside of the brim for an accurate dimension. Measure the length of the bowl from between the seat bolts to the outside edge of the front of the bowl. If you have a round bowl, this dimension should be about 16.5 inches. 26 January 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Oversized, extra-large toilet seats. A larger, more comfortable seat is here. This toilet seat provides additional comfort and more surface area for support for those who need or want a larger seat. These seats, while larger than most, still fit most average toilets and can be installed in minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
Measure the length of the bowl from between the seat bolts to the outside edge of the front of the bowl. If you have a round bowl, this dimension should be about 16.5 inches. If you have an elongated bowl, the measurement should be around 18 to 18.5 inches. 26 January 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The most comfortable toilet seats. Bath Royale BR 62000 Premium Round Toilet Seat with Cover. Brondell Luma Warm Heated Nightlight Toilet Seat. Mayfair Toilet Seat 830 NISL000 with Chrome Hinges. Bemis 800 EC 346 Toilet Seat with Easy Clean and Change Hinges. Mayfair Toilet Seat 830 NISL000 with Chrome Hinges.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.